Each sentence below has two blanks, each blank indicating that has something, that something has been omitted. Choose the set of words for each blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence as a whole. Who would even imagine that genetic mutations may not only happen in laboratories, but right in our home, inside the frigid dash of our trusty refrigerator, as researchers Florida have recently dash in a peer journal. Okay. So let's understand the meaning of the words. If there is any word that you are not able to understand, what is the meaning of frigid? Frigid means very cold temperature. All right. What is the meaning of trusty? As the word itself suggests, trusty has something to do with reliable, something that is reliable or faithful. Okay. So yes. So very cold temperature, dash of our trusty refrigerator, as researchers from Florida have recently dash in a peer journal. Okay. So let's look at the options. First we have vicinity and stated, hinterlands and claiming, surroundings and declared, interior and professed, and environs and averred. Okay. Now what is the meaning of vicinity? It is a noun, and the meaning of the word vicinity is the area near a place, near a particular place, area, or it can be surrounding. Yes, so or you can put it as this way, the area near of surrounding sorry about that. Surrounding a particular place. For example, the vicinity of our college campus. Yes. So that is the meaning of vicinity. What does hinterland mean? Hinterland is also a noun, and the meaning of hinterland is the remote area of a country away from the coast. So something's an area that is very secluded and away from. I think inside the vicinity is wrong. Yes, inside the vicinity is wrong. We will discuss that. The remote area of a country where away from the coast. So it is a very secluded place that is away from the coast. So this is not the right option. We will first omit out or strike out the weak links. Okay. Third one, surroundings and declared. Okay, so let's keep that for now. We know what surroundings is. Interior, inside the frigid interior. Okay, it is already talking about inside. Now why do we have to go interior? Okay, by the way, what is the meaning of professed? Professed means, this is also another way of knowing if the option that you striked out is wrong or not. It means claimed openly, but often falsely. Okay, so something that has been claimed very openly but is false. Okay, so again, we has recently, so it is a peer review and it should not be someone who is claiming something and is false, and it is we are talking about a journal, so it has to be something to deal with facts, and it is a research, so again it is not the right option. Okay, so now we are left with vicinity, surroundings and environs. Okay, what is the meaning of environs? It is to enclose, surround or encircle. Okay, so something that is enclosed or something that surrounds something or encircles something. Okay, so yes, same as environment, not really same as environment, it is a little bit different from environment. It is not the short form of environment. Okay, it means to enclose something, to surround something, or to encircle something. All right, what is a word? Something that has been stated, okay, is a word. Or assert something, assert to be the case. Okay, so yes, it can be stated or assert to be the case. Declared, no, they do not declare something in a newspaper. So option 3 is also striked out. We are left with stated and a word. Okay, now vicinity, inside the vicinity of the trusty refrigerator, not really possible. Enclosing, yes. Frigid environs is the right option. Okay, so the answer will be option number 5, that is environs and a word. Both the words match completely. So the statement will look like something like this: who would ever imagine that genetic mutation may not only happen in laboratories but right in our home, inside the frigid environs of our trusty refrigerators, as researchers from Florida have recently averred in a peer journal. Yes,